Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So you're going to go to the Create button right here, and the first choice is Assignment. So we're going to just click on Assignment, not Quiz Assignment. We'll click that, and let's say we'll call this Paragraph About My City. And then you will create the instructions here. I'll just say, write a paragraph about your city. Use complete sentences. Do not plagiarize. Of course, you can do more detailed instructions, but for this video, that's all I'm going to do there. All right. And then you can choose the number of points. Let's say I'm going to make this one worth 50 points. The way I do my classes is out of 1,000 points rather than out of 100. So then a 50-point assignment like this one is really only 5 points. But you can figure out the points whatever way you want. You can choose the due date. So I'm just going to choose, like, let's say end of September. So I'll just choose September 30th for the due date. You can choose the time. I don't usually do that. And then the topic. So this is going to be for week 2, the paragraphs week. So I'll click week 2. And you can make a choice whether you want to check the plagiarism or not. For Google Classroom, you can have up to 5 assignments that check plagiarism. So I will say, yes, I want to check plagiarism, and click continue. Now I can assign it now, right here, or if I click this down arrow, I can schedule it to be assigned for later. We'll learn about that another time. Right now, let's just click Assign, and it's assigning it to the students. And if we go over to the student view, here's the student email, and they should receive an email saying that an assignment has been generated. If they haven't, then we'll just go to the classroom. Usually they receive an email. Maybe it'll come later. Let's go to Classroom. It should appear for them right there. Got to make sure I change it to my student view. Here's our class, classwork, and paragraph about my city. There it is. All right, so I'm going to click on that. And they can read the instructions, and when they click on View Assignment, then they have the choice of completing the assignment. Now, the way they do it is by clicking on Add or Create. So if the student clicks on Add or Create, they can add a file. So imagine they wrote their paragraph, they can add the file. If they want to write it in Google Docs, they just click on Google Docs. This student has already created a paragraph, and they'll just click on Google Drive here and find it in their Google Drive. Now you'll notice that they have it in Word document form and in Google Doc form. Now if they upload it in Word document form, you will not be able to check the plagiarism. So let's upload it in Google Doc format. I'll click Insert right here, and they are uploading it, and then they're going to click Turn In, and we'll click Turn In, and let's go back to the teacher view now. Paragraph about my city, this is the assignment. You click on that and you can see, oh, one student has turned in their assignment, so we'll click on that. Test user has turned in their Tokyo paragraph. Click on it. It will open up the paragraph. You can read the paragraph right here, and then you can give them a grade, whatever the grade might be. Let's say you want to give them 45 out of 50. You can also add comments if you want, like great job. And when you're done, you'll click Return, and then the student will see the grade in their view. And that is how you add an assignment in Google Classroom.